Hello everyone, this is Meher Patel, Assistant Professor from Department of Pharmaceutical Technology. Welcome to the MOOC series, an initiative taken by LJ Institute of Pharmacy. In today's session, we will discuss on one of the important topic of pilot plant and scale up technique, that is introduction to platform technology. So when we consider the point of introduction to platform technology, we have a simple discussion regarding the use and need of this platform technology in pilot plant and scale up technique. So we'll go through the brief review regarding this concept of platform technology in pharmaceutical industry. So in the first case, I would say it is a considerable, and we can say that is valuable tool to improve efficiency and quality inside the drug product development. Now in the next point, we can say it is a kind of risk based approach with the combination of conventional technique. Then it is one of the most systematic method to leverage prior knowledge for a given new molecule. So obviously, with the help of this kind of technology, when we think about these basic points in a simple sense, as you can see on the screen, a common or a standard method, or we can say that is equipment, process, or work practice that may be applied to the research, development, or manufacturing of different products. So, more or less, we can say in the case of platform technology or platform process, we have to implement those kind of ideas which gives a better quality of the final product with the help of different kind of research and development based technologies. Now in the next point, if I talk about the platform manufacturing, so again in that point we can also focus the word, that is implementation. Means this particular standard technologies which are available, and it should be implement for the final quality of the pharmaceutical product. So obviously different kind of systems, its work practices within the manufacturing facilities, and their use for the manufacturing of different products. In short, we have to develop those kind of different processes, and that we are going to implement in the manufacturing of pharmaceutical product. Now if I talk about the historical movement of this pharmaceutical platform technology, right from the 1980s, if I talk about this word platform technology, so we can say that there was no concept of platform. But day by day, as the technology gets evolved, obviously the mature stage with respect to this platform technology comes down. In 1990s, if I say, most probably for the biotechnological based components and new manufacturing facilities are established within this particular era, and this kind of technologies are evolved after 2000. That means post to 2000, we can say new different platform technologies are evolved in this pharmaceutical world, and it helps a lot for the evaluation as well as the quality development of the product. We can talk about n number of advantages. Yes, obviously at the same time it's a two side of coin. There are certain loopholes within the technology point, but we have to work on that, and we can have the solution regarding that. So the very first point under this technical concept, we can say that reduction of the process development, effort, time, and cost. That is the key point to apply this kind of platform technology. Second, in platform technology, we can think about the risk assessment of a new process. That means what are the weak points that we can focus for the particular development, and we can I have the specific solution with respect to that particular problem. Then in the next point, we can develop a consistency in the process of performance and product quality with the help of this particular platform technology. Now in the next case, we can say improved asset utilization means whatever facility has been established already into the industry, what is the utilization points for that particular equipment or the process. That means equipment can be used for multiple products, and how we can improve in that can be identified with the help of this platform technology. Now in the next point, in the simplified form, the preparation of documentation can be done with the help of this technology. Now, in the next point, if I say ability to translate learnings from one product to another as process database grows, means from the one product study, we'll have a different database that we can identify with respect to scientific manner, and that can be identified as well as implement for the next product generation. So ultimately, this is one of the major advantage of platform technology. Now if I say the simple example of monoclonal antibodies, so obviously when developing this kind of a particular class of products, I can say that the simplification of this technology transfer activities to the production facilities gives a super idea for the quality product. Now in the next point, again we can say reduction in the time and resources leading up and including preclinical as well as clinical studies. So again, for this kind of specific studies, preclinical and clinical studies will have a better platform, and we can recognize with the safety, efficacy, and purity of the product with this kind of technical advancement. Then also we can say reduction in the failure rates reduced during this manufacturing concept. If you are going to use this kind of platform technology, means at the whole we can say chances of error can be reduced, chances of errors can be minimized with the help of this kind of technical advancement. So obviously, once the technical points are well established, the training burden will also be reduced. So the similar process and equipment in the improved with the improved speed through this repetitive work can be established. So in the next point, if I talk about the routine processes, for in process and batch release testing leads to the reduction in error. So I would say that one specific protocol is going to develop, and within which we are going to have a kind of a research based ideas and the technical advancement, which will ultimately leads to the quality of product. So we can say that platform specification for early phase clinical programs are very important. Broad database and experience to speed troubleshooting of manufacturing process. So one of the major advantage that we can recognize whenever different kind of problems, accidental problems, I can say that accidental problems which may arise into the production area. So as a part of troubleshooting, we can also identify this technology as a key point. So the time necessary for manufacturers to authors and prepare the submissions. That means it helps a lot in the standardization of the process as well as the quality of product. So in that case, the benefit of using platform approach are very clear and apparent that we can recognize in terms of standardization of approaches and tools across multiple products leads to the improved quality, consistency, substantial cost saving, efficient resource utilization, faster process and product development. So as you can see onto the screen, these are the kind of specific words or the points which we can identify as a use of platform technology in pharmaceutical industry. So this was the basic introduction regarding the concept of platform technology in this world of pharmaceuticals. Now, under this pilot plant and scale up technique, as a part of this curriculum, we have to be aware about the introduction concept regarding the platform technology. So, I have covered in this session this whole introductory point. As far as your examinations are concerned, this specific kind of FAQs may asked in that the very interesting question can be framed that what is the need of platform technology as per as per the current production scenario in pharmaceutical industry, in current production scenario in pharmaceutical industry. So that is one of the key and major identification that will have. I hope that you have enjoyed this session very well and it is clear with you. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe and share with our YouTube channel, that is Pharma Ignite, and don't forget to press the bell icon for getting more updates. Thank you.